Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making snow globes, me and my son, Grayson. And I'm going to tell you all the supplies you're going to need. So originally you could get baby oil at the Dollar Tree, but I couldn't find it at mine, so we went to Family Dollar and this was $3. We're using an old pickle jar, which we got the label off of. And then you'll need a waterproof glue. This was at the Dollar Tree too. Some glitter. He picked silver and pink. And then some figures. You could either make them out of polymer clay or you could just get them at the Dollar Tree. We got the tree and two figures, Daddy Pig and George, and we glued them on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a waterproof glue, either Gorilla Glue or just find a waterproof glue. Glue your figures on and let them dry overnight so that when you flip it upside down or shake it, it's not moving at all and they are glued on. Alright, so now that these have been drying since yesterday, we are ready to make our snow globe. And also, I'm going to get ribbon for around the lid to decorate it a little bit. And then I just cut out a piece of paper and put Grayson, Daddy Pig, and George, December 2024. This will be glued to the bottom of the lid after we're done. Alright. Now the first step we're going to need to do is take our baby oil.
Baby oil?
Yeah.
This one's all gone.
Yeah, we put all of it in there. Now we're going to take our glitter.
Glitter.
And we'll open it.
Open the lid. Now pour.
And pour how much you want in there. No more?
No more.
Okay, that's good. And then we'll do some pink.
And some pink.
Ooh, careful.
Oh, it's any pink. Let's open.
Open this one like this. There we go. Now you get to pour it in there.
Squeeze.
Squeeze. That's enough. There we go. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is put a little glue, the waterproof glue, so that the jar cannot be opened after we are done. So this is, you want to have help with your mom or your dad, just a little bit along the edge. Because you don't want to touch this with your skin. Okay. The lid back on. Now we get to put our figures in. So that was 14 ounces of baby oil. I believe this jar is a 16-ounce jar. So hopefully we have enough baby oil. But with the figures, I think it'll be enough. Then we get to close our jar. Now you have to let this dry overnight before shaking it. But it looks like we could have used just a tad bit more baby oil, but that's okay. And then we're gonna take our hot glue. And we are going to take our hot glue gun and go around the edge to glue the ribbon on.
Yeah, was it? It's okay.
Take this around the edge to kind of decorate it a little bit. Can you flip it over? Flip this over. Very carefully. Shake it a little bit. Okay, now set it down. And let the glitter float down.
Float down.